Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2010 Chevy 3500 Crew Cab long box WT diesel. So it's a pretty basic truck. It was purchased from the city. Runs and drives great. A lot of work's been done to it recently. We got new tires, new brakes. The tranny was also rebuilt. It's got a lift gate on the back. Man, that's convenient, huh? That's a nice size. You got it from the Bridge and Tunnel guys, right?
Yes, correct.
Man, that is so convenient.
Catch me out.
Right? Look at that. It's got a spray-in liner.
Yep.
Toolbox are included. Aluminum racks.
You here for what?
Yeah, go ahead. Tow package. Tow package. It's got the Duramax in there, Allison tranny. Air conditioning's been serviced. Trailer brake. It's got the Western lift setup for the plow. Vinyl seats. Price to sell. Not pretty, but it runs great. All the EGR setups in service as well. Great work truck. It's bulletproof. Oh yeah, all the work has been done at Chevy. If you look at the main website too, I'll have all the receipts on there and a breakdown of everything that was done. Runs and drives like a top. Well guys, any questions at all, give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our website. So weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.